Every morning I get out of my bed like this, ready to go for the day. So next step in my day is I go down to the kitchen and I make some cereal. So what you do is you pour the milk in, and then you get your cereal. Then you pour the cereal in. So, that cereal was delicious. This is my bathroom, and this is also where I get rid of my stinky breath. This is when the work comes in. I usually run about 1 or 2 miles to start my day. Let's go. After that run, I'm feeling a little tired, but the grind does not stop. So after the run, we get some agility ladder work in, and then after that we do some weights. That's where the gains come in. So after that, I usually chill, watch some Netflix, watch like something like Outer Banks, Tiger King, All American, whatever's on. I watch some Netflix. So that's what I do next. I took a little nappy nap in my basement. But I think it's time for some homework. So let's. As you can see, this is a time lapse of me doing homework in my living room. I took a little nap again. I didn't know exactly what I was doing, but I got the work done, and that's all that matters. Oh, hey. You wanted a room tour? Alright. Well, here's my room. It's where I spend my time. Right here in my room. I game in here. Yeah, some PlayStation. It's where me and the boys talk. I game on the usual. So, do this for a couple hours, and yeah, that's pretty cool. Alright, guys, for the finale, we got Justin here. I'm gonna go dunk on him. Let's go. Let's go. Alright, Justin, you ready? You ready, Justin? What do you gotta say about that, Justin? What do you gotta say? Oh, yeah. Let's go. Hey, guys, that's gonna wrap up my Bay Cribs video. I just want to say that we'll all get through this together. And if you need anything, reach out to me or my mom, Miss Michelle. Real quick, I would like to nominate Jack Clayton, Catalina, and Justin. Let's go.